Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access Sora 2 for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to access Sora 2, you need to visit Sora.com and then you can sign in with your Google account. And if Sora isn't available in your country, I recommend you to use a VPN. You can use this Urban VPN proxy. You can install it on your Google Chrome extension and change the location to USA. And then you're going to click on join new Sora here. Then you will need invite code to access Sora 2. If you want to get the invite code, you can join Sora. You can join openai Discord server, and usually the other users share the invite code there, and you can enter the invite code here. And if you can't find the invite code guys, I'm going to give you alternative. So you can go to this website, Soru2.cloud, and you can sign up to this website with your Google account and you will get 10 credits for free. And you can use the credits to generate any video that you want. And these are the videos I have generated using this website. And if you want to earn more credits, you can invite your friends using this invite link, and you will get 5 credits per sign up. And you will need 10 credits to generate video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to access Sora 2 for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!